In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Steam Client Web Helper from running in the background. So if you want to put an end to this, or if you want just to make sure that there are no processes running in the background whenever you are not using this, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and turn off Steam Web Helper. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I'm here on my Steam, but to turn off Steam Client Web Helper, just go to your taskbar here on the bottom and then right click on it. Under this, choose this option called Task Manager. Let me expand this Task Manager, and then under Task Manager, make sure you select Processes. Now from Processes, scroll down until you see Steam Web Helper. Now if I scroll down, you can see we have here Steam Client Web Helper. Now to turn this off, go ahead and select it and then right click on it and then choose the option called End Task. So that has entered. If you also have another one, go ahead and just do the same and make sure that you have entered all the Steam Client Web Helper. So that's how you can turn off Steam Client Web Helper on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.